Hello. Today I will give you information about All Savers Provider Portal login. All Savers offers a platform that allows healthcare providers to access patient insurance information, manage payment processes, and track their requests. This portal helps healthcare professionals provide more efficient service by facilitating their transactions. Let's not forget to like for more videos like this. To log into All Savers Provider Portal, you must first go to the official website and access the provider login screen. If you haven't registered before, you can open a new account and get your user information. After logging in, you can check your patient's insurance coverage, request authorization for transactions that require pre-approval, and track payment processes. The portal provides great convenience to healthcare providers in matters such as billing and request management. You can view the transactions in detail, check payment statuses, and securely access patient information. In addition, you can contact the support team for help with any problems that may occur in the system. The All Savers Provider Portal is a tool that streamlines the workflow of healthcare professionals and speeds up processes. It increases efficiency by ensuring patient information is managed quickly and securely.